This training is for the UNICO Energetic Laser Pulse facial rejuvenation device. Before starting the treatment, be sure to carefully read the operator manual for warnings, contraindications, and instructions for use. As the skin expert, introduce yourself to the consumer and ask about their major skin concerns to determine if they would be a suitable candidate for treatment with the UNICO Energetic Laser Pulse. Once you have determined that the consumer is a suitable candidate, take their skin history by having them fill out the questionnaire and determine there are no contraindications. If they are a good candidate for ELP treatment, provide the consumer with background information on the ELP device and what they are to expect when receiving a treatment while doing a walkthrough on the UNICO website. Sterilize the device with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton pad. Tell the consumer about the device and show them how to operate it, like turning it on and listening for the cooling fan to start. The UNICO Energetic Laser Pulse is an FDA-approved and clinically tested facial rejuvenation device. Its technology allows the laser to be emitted from the device, filtered and focused through the glass, and cooled by the sapphire cooling surface to prevent heat damage on your skin. There are 3 different modes to choose from: brighten, redness, and ageless. Brighten mode has the lowest intensity, perfect for treating the whole face and all skin types, targeting the epidermis to evenly brighten the skin and minimize the appearance of pores. Redness mode is medium intensity, to be used mainly around the cheeks, targeting the dermis layer, which encourages the production of collagen and reduces redness, including the type that comes from rosacea and broken blood vessels. Ageless mode is the highest intensity and best anti-aging method. It's designed for spot treatment to reach deep beneath the skin and target melanocytes to lighten pigmentation that can be caused by age spots, post-acne breakouts, and hyperpigmentation. It fights against the look of dull skin by encouraging the cells to renew. The laser's light wavelength is between 500 to 650 nanometers for better and more accurate targeting of the skin cells, making it 3 times more powerful and effective than LED lights. Do patch tests on her skin to allow the consumer to experience each mode to choose which one is most suitable for her skin. Allow them to feel the sapphire cooling surface and see how the ring lights up when it comes in full contact with skin. When you have determined what treatment you will be administering, clean and degrease the patient's face by using a gentle toner and cotton pad. Allow the toner dry before proceeding. Provide a pair of disinfected safety glasses to the patient and ensure you are also wearing a pair. Turn on the device by pressing down on the power/mode button for 2 seconds. Be sure that you hear the fan turn on. Select the desired treatment by clicking the power/mode button to switch between treatment modes. You can choose to work with the manual laser pulse or set it to auto flash. In manual, you will need to press the treatment button to administer the laser pulse on each section of the skin. To set auto flash, you will need to press the treatment button for 2 seconds. You will see the auto flash mode icon light up. Be sure that the sapphire cooling plate is making full contact with the skin and the light ring around the plate is on to administer a laser pulse. Feel free to perform more than 1 treatment on the skin per session. Avoid overuse on the same area of skin to prevent heat damage. On the areas you want to treat, lift and press the device, going section by section on the concern area, waiting for the laser pulse before moving forward if it's on auto flash, or manually pressing the treatment button to administer the laser pulse. After the treatment, apply a hydrating product such as a cryogenic daylight cream to help cool down the skin. Sunblock should be applied for at least 1 week to prevent skin sensitivity. A series of 1 to 3 sessions a week is recommended. You should begin seeing results after 28 days of consistent use. Results may vary depending on skin type and frequency of use. 28 days of consistent use with the energetic laser pulse promotes anti-aging benefits such as tighter and firmer skin with the production of collagen, improving the appearance of wrinkles, lightening dark spots, and reducing redness for an ageless look. To learn more about UNICO and the Energetic Laser Pulse device, visit our website at unicoelp.com. Thanks for watching.